I filmed work.
All right, everybody. Hey, I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. I'm glad you all are still here. The world didn't end and all that ridiculous stuff.
Word.
All right, so I'm going to give you all a heads up what's going down tonight. We're going to start word 4. Take a brief little intermission. You'll get some pizza, and then after that, we're going to do the movement video. It actually happened, believe it or not. Once again, thanks everybody for coming out. This is an amazing turnout. It's a one big family. We love you guys, and enjoy the show.
Some comfort losing my memory. Oh wait, oh, don't you let me down. Then I get it back and I said, so this is what they mean. Oh wait, oh, don't you get around. They don't say that, don't make it hard. Everybody's making faces in the dark. Don't stop struggling, that's what sets you apart. It's the ghost of inhibition, that's what's breaking your heart. Everybody's making faces in the dark. I was the inhibition I was listening to. They don't give up, they don't give in. It's the middle of the summer and I got nothing to do. Somebody get out, somebody get in. I'm missing my own city part. Everybody's making faces in the dark. Don't stop struggling, that's what sets you apart. It's just the ghost of inhibition, that's what's breaking your heart. Everybody's making faces in the dark.
All right, everybody, let's hear it for the word, guys. Make some noise! All right, 20 minutes. You're going to see the movement DVD. Full 6 parts. One extra one that'll be amazing, I promise you.